Welcome to Solo Scholar CMA. This is the marginal costing question. This is the chapter number 3 in paper number 12, second group of intermediate. Okay, let's see the illustration number 1 of marginal costing. We will do step by step and we will see the format also by solving the question. I'm not telling you the format right now. I'm just solving the question and we will see the format and everything by solving the questions. Okay, let's see. XYZ company makes the products, the Goldie, which has a variable production cost of 6 per unit, and sales is, this is the production variable production cost 6 per unit, and sale price is 10. And the beginning of the September 2021, the production during the month was 20,000 units. Fixed cost will be 45,000 unit. Okay, I'm highlighting these in the question because they are very, very important points. They are given in the question. So the fixed cost concerned with the production, administration, sales and distribution. Okay, now you have to do the contribution. You have to find out the contribution profit, okay, by using the marginal costing principle. Sales, which as follows. They have given the different sales. Okay, first sale they have given 10,000 goldies, second sale they have given 15,000 goldies, and third sale they have given 20,000 goldies. Okay, so now we have to do accordingly. Now let's see what we have given in the question and how we have to solve. I'm solving the question here, a solution here, okay? Okay, let's see. First of all, what is given in the question? We have to write this so that we know what we have to find. Variable production, cost we know 6 per unit. Now second is selling price, SP I'm writing here, 10 rupees per unit. Okay, now third point is fixed cost. Fixed cost is 45 rupees, 4,500 rupees, 1,000 rupees. Okay, now production. $20,000 unit in September month. Okay, now fifth point, no opening inventory. This point is helpful when we make the statement. Okay, that's why I'm writing here so that all the things are clear. Now let's solve step by steps. So these are the points we have to find. They are given in the question. Okay, so what we have to find first is contribution and then profit according to the given sales. So now let's see. First is contribution. What is the formula of the contribution? Selling price minus variable cost. Okay, selling price is, what is the selling price? Per unit is 10 per unit. This is unit. 10 per unit minus 6 is equals to 4 per unit. Now next, second is profit. This is also, let's find out the profit formula. Total contribution minus fixed cost. Okay, just remember the formula. Now closing inventory. Closing inventory is valued at variable cost, which is rupees 6 per unit. Okay. Now let's see. Step wise, we have to solve the question. Step 1. When sales is 10,000 goldies. So how we will solve this question? First, we have to solve the contribution. Contribution is equals to 10,000 into 4 per unit. We have already find the per unit contribution, so we will use that per unit contribution. Okay. So 10,000. Why we have taken 10,000? Because it's given in the sales. Okay. This is we are solving for the 10,000 goldies. So 10,000 times how many units? 4 per unit is gonna be 40,000. Okay. Now second, closing inventory. Closing inventory is how much produced. Okay. 10,000 minus what is sold? 10,000. This is sold. So how much is left? 10,000 times 6 is equals to 60,000. Wait, let me see the question first. This is production, no opening inventory. The production during the month is 20,000 units. Oh, it's gonna be 20,000. What is the production during the month? Wait, let me erase this. That's why I'm being confusion here. 20,000. Okay. So this is remaining units. Now let's see third point, profit is equals to total cost minus fixed cost. Okay. Total cost is 40,000 units. This is the total cost. So total contribution, not total cost. Wait, let me write full formula so that there will be no confusion. Total contribution. Okay, 40,000 is total contribution. So I'm writing down 40,000 over here. And then minus करेंगे फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट कितनी है. फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट हमें देखनी पड़ेगी क्वेश्चन में जाकर के. देखो फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट फॉर अ मंथ इज 45,000. ओके, सो फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट इज 45,000. सो टोटल कितना आ जाएगा? 5,000 का लॉस हो गया हमें. ओके, so now what we will do, second step is when sales, these second step, when sales is 15,000. Similarly, we have to solve this. Okay, goldies. So for 50,000 goldies, what we have to do is, see, first is contribution. Again 15,000 times, we have already find it out, 4 per units is equals to 60,000. Okay, from where we get 4 unit? From here. Okay, now second point, is closing inventory. Is equals to 20,000 minus 15,000 is equals to 5,000. Okay. Now 5,000 minus, now 5,000 closing inventory is this, 5,000 the remaining, and then multiplied by, wait, what is the unit of the closing inventory? This is the closing inventory unit, 6 per unit, okay? 6 per unit. It's gonna be 30,000, okay? Now third point is profit. Profit is 60,000, okay, minus 45,000, that is fixed, is equals to 15,000. Profit is 60,000. Why I am taking this? Because this is the total contribution minus, what is the total contribution? Is 60,000 here and minus 45,000 fixed cost. Fixed cost. Okay. Now let's see the third point, which is when sales is equals to 20,000. 20,000 gold is. Okay. Now for 20,000 goldies, let's see first. Again, we have to solve like this only. Contribution. Contribution is 20,000 times 4 is equals to 80,000. Okay. Now, second is closing inventory. Closing inventory will be 20,000 minus 2,000. 20,000 minus 20,000, sorry. This is the sales now. So this is the sales. 20,000 minus 20,000 is equals to 0. Nil. So there will be nothing. Now third, nothing is closing inventory. Then profit. What would be the profit? Profit is 80,000. We have find out, and then we have to subtract it 45,000. Okay, is equals to 35,000. Now, finally, this whole question is completed, but we have to find out the profit per unit and then contribution per unit accordingly, whatever we have left with. Now see how to find out that only. So these are the actually working notes, which you can make before making the statement. If you can make the working note before making the statement, it will be easy for you to reduce the chances of the mistake in the exams. Okay. Now let's see profit per unit. First see what is given, what we have given with. We have given with selling price per unit is equals to 10 per unit, and then variable cost per unit is equals to 6. Fixed cost we have given with 45,000. Okay, so we have to remember this. Now let's do one by one. First is contribution per unit is equals to selling price minus variable cost is equals to 10 minus 6 is equals to 4. Now see the profit. Profit per unit. Profit per unit is total price divided by number of units sold. Okay. Now see, A sales, how much sales is there? 5000, ये लॉस था हमारा. नाउ इसका प्रॉफिट पर यूनिट हम कैसे निकालेंगे? 5000 जो भी हमारी सेल्स थी डिवाइडेड बाय whatever the units in that scenario. There will be 10,000 units, so minus 0.50. तो ऐसे हम पर यूनिट निकाल लेंगे. नाउ सी सेकेंड वाला. सेकेंड क्या करेंगे? सेल्स. सेकेंड की सेल्स कितनी थी? 15,000 सेल्स थी पर यूनिट की. नाउ अब हम प्रॉफिट पर यूनिट कैसे निकालेंगे? इसको ऐसे लिख लो. प्रॉफिट पर यूनिट कैसे निकालेंगे? 15,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 15,000. 15,000. ओके, तो ये 1 आ जाएगा. 1.00 लिख सकते हो. नेक्स्ट सी पॉइंट. थर्ड का कैसे निकालेंगे? सेल्स इज इक्वल्स टू 20,000 यूनिट्स. ओके, 20,000 यूनिट्स थी. अब हमें पता है टोटल जो हमारा प्राइस था वो कितना था? 35,000. टोटल प्रॉफिट 35,000 था हमारा. 35,000 जब टोटल प्रॉफिट था तो उसमें हम 20,000 यूनिट्स पे निकाल रहे हैं. 35,000 का प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड बाय करेंगे 1.75 आ रहा है कैलकुलेट करके. ओके, सो ये पूरा क्वेश्चन डन हो गया है. इसमें कोई भी पॉइंट समझ नहीं आ रहा हो तो यू कैन कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. वी विल डिस्कस नाउ the statement, how to make the whole statement chart, okay, for marginal costing.